I am so done waiting to feel ready. This is day one of the August rebuild. Building intentionally out loud. Today is August the 1st. It is my birthday month. It is a new month, the beginning of something amazing, something great. It is time to level up like never before. I am so done with trying to make sure I have everything perfect. Baby, it's never going to be perfect. You just got to turn the camera on and say, you know what? It's go time. It's no more trying to figure it out. It's no more trying to put this in place and do this. This is it. So this is day one of the intentional level up living out loud. So if you are a woman over the age of 40 and you're feeling like you're overwhelmed, confused, feeling a little behind, feeling unclear, kind of like you've been sitting on your own potential, baby, this video is for the both of us. So listen, first and foremost, you're probably wondering why I don't have on my contacts, because I know you're used to seeing me with my contacts and I wear them all the time. You probably have only seen me in my glasses maybe once or twice. But listen, I am going to be creating content more frequently. And a lot of days I don't wear my contacts because I'm in the house. I don't wear my contacts unless I'm going out somewhere. And so I'm going to be recording more videos in au natural with my glasses on because this is how I am around my house. Now, I have been wearing contacts since I was 19 years old. And I will be 49 this month. So you do the math on how long I've been wearing contacts. And I kind of got into contacts because when I was in the military, I had to wear glasses. And if you've been in the military, you can understand how, sporadic things may be. You're always doing things. We had to get up early in the morning and it was just a lot. So I did not want to do glasses. I wanted to have on contacts because I just felt like it was a better fit for my lifestyle. So in order for me to wear contacts, I got color contacts because it was very challenging, to say the least, when I first started wearing contacts. And they just kind of have grown on me, and I've worn them for over 25 years. So the next thing is I am not going to edit my videos heavily. I'm going to really, really, really work on just uploading it as is and not making very many edits, because I want you to understand that when you are creating content, this is a process, especially if this is brand new for you or you've been gone like myself for a very long time and you're just getting back. The more you do something, the better you get at it. So I want you to understand that it is a process, and you're going to watch me go through that process, because I have been overthinking, second guessing, trying to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with my brand, how everything is going to be. And I've kind of worked some things through, but the bottom line is there's quite a few things that's still not in place. But at the same time, I cannot wait for it to be perfect. So I am going to do what I encourage you to do with anything that you're wanting to do and you're unsure and you really want to do it. You just move as if. That means you start to move and everything will fall into place. It'll come together. That next offer, whatever it is you're trying to do, it is going to come into place beautifully. But you got to move. You got to take the first steps. You got to take some action. You got to get going. When you're waiting to try to figure out something, it's not going to do anything but keep you more stuck. So you got to move and figure it out along the way. Yes, you got to figure it out along the way, baby. My birthday is this month. I turn 49 and I refuse to walk into another year talking about anything. This is the year to continue to level up. Be intentional. I said this was the intentional level up, and there are some things that have not went the way that I have wanted them to this year, but baby, we are still in 2026. We still have 5 months left in this year, and you still have time alongside with me to level up your life in a way that you've never imagined it could be leveled up. And guess what? Be intentional about the level up. I have literally seen people change their lives in less than 30 days. I'm talking being intentional, changing their actions, changing their schedule, changing who they hang around, putting themselves in proximity to success, and guess what? Leveling up like never before. My YouTube channel is for women who are over 40 that are currently rebuilding their lives, and you're looking for inspiration while you figure it out. Maybe you need money right now. Maybe you need to learn a digital income skill. Maybe you want to know more about cryptocurrency. Maybe you're looking to create options. Maybe you're looking to feel like yourself again. Whatever it is, We gonna talk about it, baby. I'm in the process of rebuilding my brand, my confidence, my consistency, my income, my voice, and my life. If any of those relate to you, baby, you are in the right place, because I'm going to let you see the process, not just some finished, polished result. Baby, you going to go through it with me, because I'm going to share it with you. You know, when people say it's the perfect time or it could be the perfect time, the perfect time can get you caught in a trap, because really, clarity, it comes from movement. Confidence comes when you continue to do things and you can build receipts. Baby, your next chapter, it is not waiting on perfection. It's waiting on a decision. It's waiting on you to make the decision to say, you know what? I deserve better. I want better, and I'm going to go get better. I believe any woman can change their lives completely in 90 days if they make the decision, make the commitment, be consistent, and make different daily decisions. It's not that hard. So guess what? For the month of August, my birthday month, my favorite month of the year, because it's the year that I get to celebrate another year of life, I'm going to show up. I'm going to talk more about money, about crypto, about your mindset, digital income, rebuilding after 40, and creating more options for yourself. Because guess what? You got a lot of options. You may not know what they are, and we're going to talk about them, because listen, there is no reason why you should not be able to live the life of your dreams. You just got to figure out what you want. If you're in the process of rebuilding too, comment the words level up, and I'll send you how I'm rebuilding and creating income after 40. Because baby, it's officially level up season. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. So listen, I'm about to conquer a fear. I'm about to go get on this lake. I'm about to conquer a fear and get on the lake. Got this. Got this. I got on my vest.